everyone, welcome to our e-learning class again. So today, before we go into our new lesson, let's review about our previous lesson. What did we have learned, okay? So as we have learned on page 26, so we have learned about lesson 7, personal questions part 2. And we also have learned about some vocabulary as well as some conversation in our textbook. So today I will review about some questions to make you remember clearly about the whole conversation in our textbook. So please bring your textbook and then look at the answer so you can find, look at the question so you can find the answer in your textbook, okay? So we have 3 questions today. Number 1, what does Michelle do? It means her job, okay? What does she do? So you can find the answer in your textbook. As we have learned, everyone, what does Michelle do? Of course, look at the answer here. She is a housewife and a part-time fashion designer. So we have learned already. Michelle is a housewife and a part-time fashion designer, okay? Housewife, it means a lady who stays at home, who cooks food, and sometimes look after her children. So we call housewife. And also a part-time fashion designer, it means like she designs something like clothes or other thing, okay? Yes, and the next question is question number 2. What does Jazz do? What does Jazz do? Also talk about her job, okay? So the answer, look at your textbook and then you will find that Jazz is a manager, okay? Jazz is a manager. She manages someone in the company, something like that. Yeah. And the last question, who has husband? Who has husband and what is his profession? What is his profession? It means his job. What does he do? Okay? The answer, Michelle has a husband. Based on our conversation in the textbook, you can find that Michelle has a husband, okay? And her husband, what does he do? Look at the textbook, you will find her husband is a businessman. So he is a businessman, okay? So everyone please look at your textbook and find the answer is the same as my answer or not, okay? So after we review about the question and some answer that related to our conversation already, let's move to our new lesson in the next video. Thank you. Hello again everyone. So after we finish our review today, let's move to our new lesson altogether. So today we will continue to lesson 8, asking the time, okay? So before going to our conversation in the textbook, let's learn new vocabularies and some sentences altogether. So everyone don't forget to copy and listen to me and then you can repeat or read by yourself, okay? So here are some vocabulary and sentences. So try to listen to me carefully, okay? So let's start all together. Vocabulary: beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sunset, sunset, sunset. Champion, champion, champion. Afraid, afraid, afraid. Promise, promise, promise. Let, let, let. Rich, rich, rich. Parents, parents, parents. Problem, problem, problem. Enough, enough, enough. Okay, so today we learn only 10 words here. So try to listen to me again about the definition and the meaning of this word. Beautiful In Khmer we call dai Sousana. It's similar to the word pretty, okay? So example like my mom is so beautiful. In Khmer we call Sousana. And the next one, sunset. Sunset in Khmer we call Preh Atit Lit. Sunset opposite with the word sunrise. So you can go to see sunset in the evening, okay? But sunrise you can go to see the sunrise like in the early morning, okay? So yeah, and the next one is champion. Champion in Khmer we call Chun Ai. It means like when you play a game and then you win a game, you can call you are a champion, okay? You win the game. And the next one, afraid. Afraid it means like you scared of something or you scared of someone, okay? And the next is promise. Promise in Khmer we call Sanaya. When you promise with someone, you have to make it happen, okay? And the next one, late. You guys, I think you guys have known already, okay? Don't come late to school. So late it means youth, okay? The next, rich we can translate into Khmer like từ đóឬcó một đời, okay? Từ đóឬmột đời. The next one, parents we have mother and father, you guys have known. And the next, problem is similar to the word issues. In Khmer we call Panyaha. Do you have any problem? Something like that. And the last one, enough in Khmer we call Kruan. Example like, do you have enough money? Okay, yeah. So after we finish our vocab, let's move to the sentence. Here are sentences. So number one, can you tell me when you reach here? Number two, I'm afraid it is too late. Number three, which is the last one, I don't have problem with studying e-learning. Okay? So after we finish our vocab and our sentence, please don't forget to take or bring some vocab to make sentence more by yourself, okay? So after we finish our vocab and sentence, let's move to the conversation in our textbook, okay? So please open your textbook on page 27 and 28 that we have learned today and listen to my reading, okay? So after you listen, you can make a conversation or you can read by yourself, okay? So we will learn two pages today, okay? So let's start and try to listen to me carefully. Lesson 8, asking the time, part 1. Ha ha ha, I win all 3 games. I am the champion today. Oh no, I lose again. Wow, what a beautiful sunset. Charlie, what time is it? It is 10 minutes past 7. Thanks, Charlie. Sam and I have to go home now. No, I won't let you go. Just play a little while. Yes, Jenny, just play a little longer. No, I'm afraid it is too late. I promised my grandma I would go home at 8 o'clock sharp. They are waiting for us for dinner. Please say hello to your parents for me. Thanks, I will. Goodbye. I'm so sorry, Charlie. No problem. Oh, Sam, can you tell me when you reach here? At about 10 minutes after 5. Then you have been here for almost 2 hours. That's long enough. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's all for our conversation today. Don't forget to make a conversation and try to read a lot of time by yourself, okay? So after we finish our lesson today, I hope all of you can enjoy and can know well about our lesson today. And don't forget to do our homework, okay? So see you in the next video for our homework. Thank you. Hello again everyone, so welcome to our last video that we're talking about homework. So before you can do homework, please listen to my explanation and how to do it, okay? So here we have our homework today and scribble this sentence. So we have 5 sentences and you have to unscribble. It means you make from the wrong one to the right one, okay? So you can look in your textbook and then find the answer, and if you have known clearly and remember about the whole conversation, you can do it by yourself, okay? So let's see my example. I have eyes, again, and lose. So you have to make it into the correct one by writing into I lose again. Okay, so you have to make it into the right one. I lose again, and number 2 until number 5 you have to do as step as number 1. So I hope you guys can do it and enjoy your learning. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.